My name is Juan Rangel, and I'm from Kermit, California. I knew I wanted to study Latino Studies. I've always been fascinated by culture and ethnicity. Latino Studies offer that broad range of classes in literature, sociology, theology, a little bit of everything, but also allowed me to specifically focus on the issue of immigration, focusing on policy as well as societal and more economic sides of the issue. Right now I'm taking a course called Latinos in the Future of America with Professor Luis Fraga. That course is actually really fascinating for me. We've been tackling the issue of immigration and how different leaders have worked to mobilize and activate communities. Latino Studies, I think, is for anyone and for everything. It's applicable in so many different fields, primarily because it's the fastest growing population in the United States. So many different segments of American society is being impacted by the growing community of Latinos. So many different students are taking these courses and studying this field through sociology work, business interests, the medical field. So whatever one is studying, it's very easy to apply that Latino Studies field right next to it. Throughout my time at Notre Dame, I have had 2 internships. One summer I spent in Chicago working for the Archdiocese there in the Office for Immigrant Affairs and Immigration Education, which was a totally new environment for me. Seeing the similarities and differences that exist between the environments and the different immigrant communities that thrive in those regions. The second internship took place in Washington, D.C., and I worked for the National Immigration Law Center. In that internship, I was able to see how nonprofits work, how coalitions are formed, and how policy is actually created and implemented at the federal level, which was a really neat experience. And I think my background in Latino Studies and the courses that I've been able to take here at University of Notre Dame really prepared me for that position. The Institute for Latino Studies has really been like a second family for me. They've been especially helpful for looking at my extracurricular involvements, helping me with postgraduate plans. Having that backbone that I can count to support has been instrumental in my success here. After I graduate, I hope to work my interest in policy and the issue of immigration into hopefully a future career that includes graduate plans. I'm very glad I came to the University of Notre Dame. It's provided me with so many opportunities that I never thought possible.